Good morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have for today? A question sent in by one of my students. A trigonometric question. It says, in the figure below, calculate the angle at O and calculate line AB. Okay, so the first thing we do, now, wherever you see something that looks like 7, you know that that angle there is a right angle triangle. That is a right angle. Wherever you see something like this, it's a right angle, and right angle equals to 90 degrees. So this triangle here, OAT, the angle of A is a right angle triangle. So this place, any line or any side facing the right angle is what we call the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. So this place, OT here, is the hypotenuse in this triangle OAT. Now the next thing we see, this is the angle we are asked to look for. This angle facing here, the line facing here, this angle we are asked to look for is the opposite. All right, why our line AO or OA is the adjacent. So using our trig sign, the SOHCAHTOA, we have when you have opposite and hypotenuse, we use our sign. When we have adjacent and hypotenuse, we use our cos. When you have your opposite and adjacent, you use your tangent. So in this case, we have our hypotenuse and we have our adjacent. Hypotenuse and adjacent, so we use our cos, cosine theta. So it follows that this angle here, let's call it theta. Cosine theta follows that our cos theta is equals to, now what is our adjacent? 3. That's AO, line AO over our hypotenuse is line OT. So this is AO is 3 centimeter over 18 cm. So our theta will now be equals to the cos inverse of 3 over 18. 3 over 18 should give us 0.166. Cos inverse of this, that will give us 0.1667. Now when you take the cos inverse of this, that's 3 over 18 is 0.1667. When you take the cos inverse of that, you will get 80.4 degrees. So that's that for the first one, 80.4 degrees. Let's look at the second one. The B part says we should find line AB. This line here, the same thing. Now this is another triangle AOB. Now in this triangle, we already know that theta is 80.4. The next thing we do, we are looking for this, the opposite. This is the opposite facing theta. Now we are asked to look for this place. So it follows that we have our AB, which we are looking for, and hypotenuse. So when you have your opposite O and the hypotenuse H, we use our sign. So sine theta, which is what we got just now, that sine theta is equals to the opposite here, AB over hypotenuse in this triangle here is 3 centimeter. So, but we already know that our theta is 80.4. So our sine theta, that's sine 80.4 is equals to line AB over 3 cm. So we can cross multiply to find our AB. So our line AB is equals to 3 times sine 80.4 degrees. Okay, let's press our calculator. Sine 80.4 degrees, that's line AB is equals to 80.4 will give us that's 3 times 0.9859. When you multiply that by 3, we'll get 2.957 centimeter, which is approximately 2.96 cm to 2 decimal place. So our answer there is 2.96 centimeter as line AB. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like? Tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics. Share the video. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, why not put it in the comment section? I'll be there to attend to it. And most importantly, if you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.